Tired of spending $7 for a bottle of water when you're on a cruise or land-based vacation, only to sit it down somewhere and realize later that you left your water bottle somewhere and you don't have it, and now you're thirsty and you got to spend another $7. Today I'm going to help you with that solution. This is a nice water bottle that I've gotten from Amazon, and it is a very hard plastic, and it has a nice rubber band to it to help keep your hands dry and not is sweating. You can fill it the normal way through the top, or it comes undone here, and you can fill it up with ice and then put your favorite drink in it. When you are on a cruise, they do not like you to go to the buffet and fill up your water bottles at the drink station at the buffet. So my husband and I, we just fill up, we each have one of these. We fill up a glass of ice and then a glass of just water, step off to the side, and then we can dump our ice in here and fill it up with our water or whatever drink we want, and we're good to go. We've got what we want to have for the day. If you have children that would like to have water on them at all times without you having to carry everything for them, this is a nice solution. It's a nice thick neoprene that will hold a bottle of water. This is a 16-ounce bottle of water. Fits in there nicely. It can be worn over the shoulder, or they can wear it crossbody, and the lengths can change for whatever size and height your children are, or as an adult it can change. But it just hangs nicely off to the side. This one is a rubber clamp that goes on top of any water bottle, and it holds very nicely, and it comes with a C-clip, so you can put that on your belt loop if you're wearing belt loops, and that'll keep you hands-free for whatever it is you are doing, but always have access to your water. This one runs about $7 on Amazon. If you like a little decoration on your bottle holder, this one is great. This is a little bit bigger, and it has the thick neoprene on it, and it comes in a wide variety of sizes or designs, and it runs about $10 on Amazon as well. It will easily hold a 16-ounce bottle, and it will easily hold a 16.9-ounce bottle that we got off Amazon that has the rubber handband on there. Fits in there nicely. And again, you can wear this over the shoulder, or it can be crossbody. Your hands free, and you always have access to your bottle, and you don't set it down anywhere. If you're needing to have a little more flexibility with your water bottle holder, this one is for you. It has a nice insulated pack to it and a pocket that you can put your phone, your wallet, or your keys in, whatever it is you need to keep with you for the day. It will hold a 16-ounce bottle of water very nicely. It will also hold the 16.9-ounce bottle with the rubber hand band on it very nicely as well. You can carry it on your arm, you can carry it on your shoulder, or you can carry it crossbody, just like that. Your hands free, you've got everything with you that you're going to need for your excursion. Something that is very versatile in water bottle holders, this one is it. This one is insulated as well, but it is very big on the inside. It can hold a tumbler, it can hold a normal 16-ounce bottle of water, it can hold the nice hard plastic bottle with the band on it. It can fit in there very nicely. This is really good to use on your cruise or land-based vacation, and then you can cinch it up. It also has 2 flexible side pockets. It has 2 pockets on the outside. You can put your phone, your wallet, keys, whatever it is you need to have with you for the day. This one also has a nice shoulder pad for it, of which you can use on the shoulder, or you can do this crossbody. You still got everything with you, your hands free to do whatever it is you need to do, or to hang on to little children's hands, and everybody's got their bottle of water and everything they need for them for the day. I hope all of this helped you with being hands-free for you, the elderly, your children, so that everybody can do whatever it is they want to do and always have access to their water. Happy cruising.
I was going to say how long is it?